Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to this video. My name is Owen Fox, and in this video I wanted to share how in the natural world not only do all animals and like bees, insects and animals, they all travel freely, so we humans should have the ability to travel freely, and we will in the future timeline that we wish to align to, so we're free to do what we want with integrity and love and kindness, etc. But I also want to say, in the natural world, we must learn from the natural world. In the natural world, all animals basically, and insects and microbes, they're basically 100% natural, simple, raw food monomeals, where they just eat one thing at a time, like the way a cow doesn't add like salt, pepper and spices and twigs and 10 types of leaves to its grass. It just eats grass, and that's the way elephants do, wildebeest, etc, etc, etc. A lion just eats a monomeal too. It doesn't start mixing a whole lot of like things together, just one thing, and nothing cooks except for us humans who get sick. So the reason why humans are so sick is we're eating all the wrong food. It's the wrong food, my friends. It's the fuel source. You're combining like physics, chemistry, electromagnetism, chemistry with your body. You're mixing it. It's like almost having sex. Like you're mixing. It's so deep and important. It's a huge event and effect when we eat. People don't realize that, because the whole disease thing that's been made up is just like it's all shrouded in mystery and it's unknown. Autoimmune. Oh, this thing is uncertain, unknown. Even if you Google what the docs say about all the causes of these ailments, it's like unknown, not sure, it hasn't yet been identified. So yeah, in this video I want to make the point, it's very important to eat as naturally as possible and live as naturally as possible, including sunlight, sunbathing, barefoot walking, being grounded. Get some sheets, check in my description below. I have right now shoes on, but I have straps, so I'm grounded to Mother Earth's alkalizing free stream of antioxidants when I'm walking, and I sleep in a grounding bag too, a recovery bag invented for Tour de France athletes to recover as fast as possible, so to be grounding. Even women or people in like old cultures, indigenous, used to say, don't wear shoes, you'll get sick, to the children, because disconnected from Mother Earth's frequency gets you sick. Eating the wrong food gets you sick the most, because you do it so often, but we don't have to. So I'm almost 14 hours now of my overnight dry fast, where I've had nothing but air, no food or liquid for 14 hours now almost. Another 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes to be 14 hours. And the last thing I had was like bananas and dates, blended with some rice milk, because there's no water, so I just use store-bought rice milk, which isn't natural now. I'm not saying I'm perfect, don't get me wrong. I'm not judging anybody, but yeah, usually I have water, but I didn't have water last night because it was a bit smelly. The bottle needs to be cleaned or something, or the spring was like spring water. Everybody have a beautiful day. Love yous all. Best day ever. Just wanted to connect a little, try and maybe might do a daily live, you know. Have a beautiful day, beautiful people. Love you so much. You're the best ever. Have the best day ever. Love and respect you. You and we all are beautiful, divine, loving light beings of love, light and joy, mercy, dignity, grace, compassion, peace. We're beautiful beings, and this is the way the world is going to keep growing more and more. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful future ahead of us. All this silly rigmarole and nonsense will end. The light is shining and growing. But yeah, tune into your own timeline. All things exist. All possibilities exist. Focus on being positive and appreciative. That's what I'd recommend. Be optimistic, positive and appreciative, and then you're going to help manifest and bring about the timeline. Choose which timeline you want. What's your future that you want? Imagine and envision and feel into the love, the gratitude, the appreciation. Let go of the worry, the fear, the anxiety. Tune into the excitement, the positivity, the optimism, and the love, and the loving light being that you are. Live from there. Life's the greatest gift. So I won't say that all over again, because yesterday's video was all about how every day is the best day ever. Choose that. Every day is a beautiful, massive, divine, massive, enormous gift to wake up and be alive in. So yeah, you will raise your vibes when you live more naturally. Breathing, exercising, going to bed early. Like I've had two things that affected me lately. Is one, I had baths with tap water. It made me feel really tired for a few months. I didn't even realise it. I wasn't really tired, but it wasn't my usual self. Even though I was eating better, I wasn't feeling as good as I usually would. So bath water without filter, highly not recommended. And then the second thing, going to bed without having to use your phone like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Like, try to take a break from technology, then get a really good sleep, and definitely go to bed on an empty stomach as much as possible. Like, do a daily nighttime dry fast or else liquid fast. And when you eat, start with fruit or liquids. But getting into a fruit eating habit is really positive. But otherwise, start your new day with when you do break it, with liquids or fruits. Fruit's my favourite, but otherwise a little bit of some liquids. My filtration's been improved a lot. Everything's going great. Life always has its challenges, but enjoy life, my friends, and get it ground. Just do yourself a favour, please. Listen to me. Check my description. Use my affiliate link. Support me and my family. I get a little bit of commission for affiliate link, but that's not why I'm promoting it. Like, being grounded has had a massive difference for me and my family and my kids. I highly recommend it so much. Please do yourself a favour. Check my description. Check out my video, and then check out my affiliate link. Go to the website, get yourself a pair of shoe straps so you're grounded when you're wearing shoes when it's not like when it's cold or like in town or something. Get yourself a pair of shoe straps, but the biggest thing you can do is get yourself a recovery bag for sleeping, for fast recovery and a really good night's sleep, and go to bed as early as possible and as empty as possible stomach, and definitely give technology a break before bed, and I promise you, you're going to have so much more energy and a better mood in the next day. I promise you. Do yourself a favour and get yourself water filters for your shower baths, and drink clean water, and eat as much fruits as possible, and work on your body, mind, heart, and you'll be laughing till the cows come home. Loads of love to you, my friends. Thanks for watching. Beautiful soul, beautiful people. Love you all very much. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your time and energy. See you again next time. Thanks for watching. You're the best ever. Got one viewer live on Facebook. See you. Better go, my friends. Thanks. Love you. Thanks. Thank you. You're a beautiful being.